breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Very good. Take a deep breath. Completely exhale. Good movement. Completely exhale. Very good.
Let's have a deep breath in. Oh yeah. I know that was a home run.
That was it.
Yes, sir. See? There we go. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. There. Excellent. Good.
All right, back. Take a deep breath for me. All the way out. Let's go face up. As we adjust him, his ears turn red. Get that blood up there.
То есть мы устанавливаем руки, создаем преднапряжение и делаем манипуляцию.
Yeah, I could bring my nunchucks in here and adjust all y'all. And some of the comments y'all making on there, you're gonna get the nunchucks. There you go. Very nice. They love those. Watch what he says at the end of his video. Because he thought it all looked the same too until I adjusted him.
I thought it was maybe hair.
There we go. Boy, that's one better too. Yep. There, actually got one more there too. I mean, I let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Good deal. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one tilt left a little bit. Okay. Okay, now just exhale. Oh yeah. Good. And just keep breathing, my friend. Good job.
I'll be able to just pick it up onto the disc a little bit.
Alright.
Keep breathing. Because each of your out breaths, I'm going to just push down a little bit deeper.
Yeah.
Take your hamstring muscles off a little bit, let them back off, that's good. That's good. Beautiful.
Feeling bir nefes al. Ver şimdi. Ver.
All the way out. Good. Perfect.
Take a deep breath through your nose. Oh yeah. Baby Dale. I know you felt that one all the way down. Good. Let me have you. Perfect. And just keep breathing normal. Yep. Just let your arms hang down. There you go. Okay. And just keep breathing normal. There it is. I knew we had one more in there.
All the way out. Let it go. Good. Again, big breath in. All the way out, please. Let it go. Good. Right up here. Good. How's that?
Wonderful.
Drop your shoulders down. Good. And again. Good.
Relax right here for me. Very good. Okay. You all right? All right. We got some movement in there. Okay, this side's gonna be a little bit more difficult to adjust here. Relax right here for me. I know you're a little nervous. New hands, new doctor. Very good. Okay. Let me have you lay face down right here for me.
Oh, that was good. All right, lay on your side. Get you all flexible. You ready?